What's up, everybody? I have this small feeder with crushed up oyster shells, and I'm gonna give it to my chickens. So I'm gonna have this. I hope just the hens eat this. I don't know. Rooster might eat this, but gotta find out. There's calcium. You eat that. You eat that. You eat that. You can eat that too. You don't eat that. Alright, well, thank y'all for watching. I'm going up for bed tonight, right now. So, let's see. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, chickens!